beautiful sight. Lancaster B-17 in formation. Until the mid-1970s, when it was purchased by a company called Euro Residence here at Duxford. It was one of the first privately owned airworthy historic aeroplanes to find its home here, and it's been based at Duxford ever since 50 years. A pilot called Ted White was a leading light of the aircraft's operation in those early days. Tragically, he lost his life during 1982. But since then, Elly Sallingboe has taken on this incredible operation, and against the odds, the B-17 flying. She and her colleagues at B-17 Preservation have continued to do that as an entirely private operation, with, of course, the tremendous support of the members of the Sallingboe Supporters Club, which you, of course, can join at their stand in front of where the B-17 is parked today. The members of the Sallingboe Supporters Club. Final pass from the B-17. East Anglia, because from 1942 to 45, this part of the world was dotted with US Army Air Forces stations, whether fighter bases or bombers. The B-17F model, whose crew was the first to be officially credited with completing the maximum possible tour of 25 operational sorties. And Sallingboe wears on one side of its nose in the David Putnam movie of the same name, released in 1990, one of its many appearances on the small and big screens. And with a gentle squeal of tyres, into land, B-17G Flying Fortress, Sallingboe, captained today for that very elegant demonstration by Peter Kuipers with his co-pilot Paul Schluer. We should say, while Duxford was of course my station for the area. We should say, while Duxford was of course my station for the area.